Once upon a time in a cozy town, there lived a little squirrel named Sammy who loved to collect nuts. Sammy had a treehouse filled with acorns, walnuts, and hazelnuts, but it was always a mess. One day, as Sammy tried to find his favorite hazelnut, he realized his treehouse was in chaos. Nutshells were scattered everywhere, making it hard to enjoy his collection. Feeling frustrated, Sammy decided it was time to become organized. He called upon his friends, Benny the Beaver and Lila the Rabbit, for help. Together, they gathered baskets, labeled them for different types of nuts, and created a special shelf for each one. Sammy even drew colorful pictures to remind himself where each type of nut should go. As they worked, the friends discovered that being organized made everything easier. Sammy could now find his hazelnuts without searching for hours, and he enjoyed showing off his neatly arranged collection to visitors. Word spread about Sammy's organized treehouse, and soon other animals in the town wanted to learn the secret. Sammy, Benny, and Lila started the Tidy Treehouse Club to teach everyone how to keep their homes in order. From that day on, the animals in the town became experts at staying organized. The Tidy Treehouse Club not only helped them find their belongings easily but also created a sense of harmony and joy in their lives. And so, the little town flourished with happy, organized homes, all thanks to Sammy and his friends who learned the importance of tidiness and teamwork.